Hey everybody, I'm going to try another Yardbirds tune today. It's called Heart Full of Soul. It's got some hard parts, but it's basically a pretty easy song. So let's start out with the chords. Okay, so you have the introduction, which is this. The introduction looks like this. You pluck the D string, and then you're going to hold your ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string, play the octave, so it's open D, the octave above, so okay, so we got so it's open D, octave, then this little couplet. Let's call it a triplet with one extra note. And we can, from that it goes into, so and then so smoothly. Okay, now the chords that are happening over there is just D minor. It gives us a quick strum, bada bam. Okay, and then it goes into the verse. And the verse, if you ask one guitarist or another guitarist, they're all going to have different opinions, but what I've done is I've tried to look up on YouTube as many different live Yardbirds versions of this as I could find. And really what I've come up with is very little, but from what I did come up with and what I infer from just being a guitar player, I would say that either Jeff Beck or Jimmy Page, whoever's playing, starts off the verse with that D minor. I would say plucking 4 strings. Next chord is G, a bar chord. And by the way, if I'm out of tune to your tuner, it's because I'm in tune to the record. The chords are D minor, G bar chord, B flat, and back to D minor. This is going to be played 4 times. The basic chords of the chorus going up here, where he's going, and I know that if she had me backing. The simplified version is F, G, D minor, E flat, F, D minor, A minor, heart full, G, heart full of soul. Okay, so then we have another verse. D minor, G, B flat, D minor. You do that 4 times. Then the chorus comes around again, and I'm going to give it to you in a simplified fashion. The rhythm is pretty quick, but the easy way to do it would be just to play a D minor on the 10th fret, F, G, 10th fret to D minor. And then it goes B flat, F, D minor, A minor, okay, and of course there's always the lick. During the verse, the rhythm is completely different. I know. Then, for those of you who are brave enough souls, there's the solo where he goes. Okay, so I would do it with my middle finger on the, actually I saw Jeff Beck doing it over here. 7th fret, G string. The next line is. And then again. So to repeat that. And then it goes to the chorus, which is 10th fret, D minor, 8th fret, F in an A alternate, to G, 10th fret, back to D minor, then to B flat on the 6th fret, F on the 8th fret, D minor, then it goes to A minor, G, D minor. Well, I hope that helps you out.